Hello everyone. In this video, we'll discuss some time-saving shortcuts in MetaTrader. Let's say you have a preferred chart style. You can create a custom chart template by right-clicking and selecting Properties. Customize the chart to your liking. For example, you can right-click and choose Grid to add a grid to the chart. To zoom in or out, use the zoom buttons. If you want to hide the bottom elements, right-click and select Tick Volumes. Let's assume this is a chart you want to use frequently. You can save it as a template by right-clicking and selecting Save Template. Name the template and save it. When you open a new chart, the template will be the default. You can also switch to a different template by right-clicking and selecting it. However, if you save the template as default.tpl instead of a profile name, this template will automatically be applied to all new charts. If you'd like to view all your open charts on one screen, click the square-shaped icon at the top. This will arrange all charts on a single display. After making adjustments, click the icon again to see the arranged charts. You can also use this feature in the Strategy Tester. In our previous video, we used a black and white template. If you save your preferred template as tester.tpl, every time you conduct a backtest, it will appear with this template. Another lesser-known feature is the ability to undock a chart. Right-click on a chart and select the Dock option to move the chart independently from the MetaTrader window. This allows for a flexible layout, as the chart can be moved freely. It's a handy feature that not many are aware of. If you'd like to view all available instruments at once, simply select Show All. Then, by clicking on Daily Changes, you can see the top gainers and losers of the day. To quickly trade a product, use the Trading section to select it from the list of open products. To receive transaction updates directly on your phone, click on the Notifications window in the Tools section. Check the Enable Push Notifications box and enter your phone's MetaQuotes ID. This will ensure you receive real-time alerts for all activities within MetaTrader. This way, you can avoid missing trades and stay updated. It's another useful yet often overlooked feature. For a quick screenshot of your chart, right-click and select Save as Picture. The chart along with the market observation window will be saved automatically. These shortcuts will simplify your workflow and save time. See you in our next videos.